Hello, Cookbook Shopaholics. My name is Carrie with Cookbook Divas, and it's summertime, so I thought it would be fun to look through SurfSide Eating, relaxed recipes inspired by coastal living. Now, I live in Seattle, Washington, but nowhere near the coast, so I have to drive to go to the beach. But still, I'm hungry for this kind of food. It's too hot to turn on the oven. Ugh. The book came out in 2020. Ooh, so far so good. Gorgeous photo. Ryland, Peterson Small is the publisher, so some of their editors did the writing. Contents: rise and shine, veggies, salads and sides, all-day dining, beachside barbecue, sunset suppers, desserts and drinks. Introduction, etc., 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 surfboards, la la la. Rise and shine. Okay. Grains, porridge, glow balls, whipped honey, vanilla butter. So far so good. Toasted muesli with baked rhubarb. This is definitely a California style kind of hippie cookbook. So far so good. No offense. Savory granola, blackberry and blueberry acai bowl. Healthy, healthy. Sweet potato pancakes with cinnamon and vanilla. Maple and bacon pancakes. I don't think I would do sweet potato pancakes. I don't really like sweet potatoes, but they're healthy. Apple and blueberry waffles. Tiny little picture though. Hey, I'd rather have a big picture of food and a little picture of palm tree, but okay, that's fine. French toast with honey, roast figs, etc. Here's some more palm tree photos. Okay, maybe people that don't live near the ocean need to see palm trees more than I do. Banana bread with raspberry labneh. That sounds amazing. Look at that gorgeous photo. Loving this so far, but I need to move to another chapter because I can't show you the whole book. But here's a courgette loaf. Wow, interesting griddle marks or what, or layers, or not sure what's happening. Okay, next chapter, veggies, salads, and sides. That looks like Santa Barbara. Am I right? How about miso glazed aubergine, otherwise known as eggplant? How about ouzo watermelon salad? Love the photography. This is a quinoa and asparagus salad with matcha lemon dressing to make your salad taste like grass. That's fine. Vegetables with spicy dip of young chiles. Shaved fennel salad, grated carrots, blood orange and walnuts. Nice and healthy, very summery. This is beautiful. Grilled squid salad. Love it. Okay. Asian chicken noodle salad, spinach and ricotta dip, sweet potato, smoked mackerel, and grapefruit salad. Okay, let me get out of the salad chapter. Moving on. Ooh, wait. No, I have to show you this. What? I've never seen this in a cookbook. Beer battered avocado dippers. How good does that look? Wow. Now, some of you might be squeaking out right now, like, do you deep fried avocados? Okay, here's the all-day dining chapter. For example, grilled halloumi with jalapeno lime and tequila relish. Yum. Sounds good. Beautiful picture. Here's crab with mango and coconut. Although to me that looks like it should have been in the salad chapter, but what do I know? Tempura vegetables and shrimp. Yum. Here is charred shrimp with non-jim. And how about West Coast crab cakes? Looks good. Is that from the front cover? No. Okay, here's some more beach pictures, la la la. Spicy peanut noodles, yum. So lots of Asian influences in this book. Sticky aubergine poke. So they keep saying aubergine, so I'm guessing this is a British cookbook. Ahikatsu. And what else can we look at? Okay. Yuzu lomi lomi salmon poke. I'm not personally eating any raw fish, but you are welcome to. Beef bulgogi. Here's beachside barbecue chapter. Okay, let's find a good example. Mexican grilled corn. Yum. Spiced red snapper with charmula. Wow. Gorgeous photography. Coconut and lime shrimp skewers. One of the things I like is they're using a funky font, but it's readable. I've looked through some cookbooks in the last week that took the font too far, and we're like, what? It wasn't just me. My friends too. Grilled harissa chicken kebabs, but a tiny picture and a big picture of the beach. I need a bigger picture of the food. How about sunset suppers? I know they're setting a mood with these beautiful photos of the beach. That is glass noodle, shiitake, and vegetable steam fry. This is fried and steamed salmon in miso garlic sauce. Sounds like an extra step. This is sunshine laksa with crab and snow peas. And this is lobster quesadillas. So this is a very fusion cookbook. Hand-dived scallops with vanilla risotto and pea shoots. Wow. Okay, and summer chicken with nectarine agrodolce. Are we in another chapter now? Chicken teriyaki with lime on quinoa rice. Extra protein. Beautiful grilled lamb koftas. Gorgeous. Lots of color. And now we're in desserts and drinks. Small picture, small picture. Coconut frozen yogurt. Mojito sorbet. Ooh, now I want a mojito. That looks easy to make. Tutti Frutti Semifreddo. Candied citrus. Matcha ice cream with black sesame praline. Miso and sweet potato cheesecake. Not my flavors, but chocolate and salted caramel peanut slice. Now you're talking. All right, that was pretty cool. SurfSide Eating, I definitely recommend this beautiful cookbook. Relaxed recipes inspired by coastal living by Ryland, Peters, and Small. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoy our cookbook look-throughs, you can see more of them on our blog, cookbookdivas.com. We have a podcast where you can't see the pictures. You can just hear us talking. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Be sure to click like and subscribe. Comment on our videos so that the algorithms will show you more of them. Thanks.